So, okay, guys, today I'm going to show you how I've made 600 bucks in the last 2 days trading the Nasdaq. I haven't been able to make content that much is because I got a new setup, I got a new monitor, and it's ultra wide, so I got to like wait for this cord to come in to get the right resolution because everything looks super buggy right now. So I'm kind of waiting on that, but I will be able to show you the the three trades I've taken so far to help me get that. So the first one would have been Tuesday, the Tuesday sell right before the buy. Let's find it. So we're gonna say Tuesday right here. That was yesterday. Yeah. So the first trade was right here. So we were selling off to these clear lows right here. These were these clear lows that we wanted to take that were very evident in my mind. And we also created a 5-minute imbalance right at market open or right pre-market, very pre-market. So if we're visiting a 5-minute imbalance, it's going to be a 15-second market maker model or a seconds one. So it's going to be very, very small. Here we are. So as you see, this is the model right here. This is the level I want to see. It also aligns with external equally lows. We come in, we take this internal high. As you see, inside of our higher time frame imbalance, we get a huge sell-off, a nice 1 minute change in the state of delivery here, which doesn't really matter necessarily, but it kind of does just to show you. You come back, you revisit this huge displacement move on the 15-second. I enter short on the pullback like this, something like this. Put my stop at the high, targeting these lows. As you see, we chop, come down, displace, rebalance, and displace again, take those lows. That was the first trade I caught that day. That was pre-market. Once that trade happened, I was bullish because we just had taken a key sell side level, and overall I'm very bullish. So what do we have now? We have a clean SMT right here. Also very clean stop rate of those lows that I was looking at. So you see we get a nice change in the state of delivery right here. What do we come back to? Imbalance aligned with change in the state of delivery after high time frame key levels swept. As you see, I'm targeting these highs right here, the relative highs or the original consolidation before the sell-off. So this is gonna be my sell side target or my buy side target. As you see, price comes back, we enter around here, targeting these highs. Now I mishandled my position on this trade. I had my stop something like this just because it was weird. But as you see, news came in. As you see, this buy side of the curve here. We buy up slow, but it was because news came in, so it kind of slowed us down a little bit. But we ended up being fine. News comes in, protected low. This became an SMT right here, I think. No, it would have been this. I think this became an SMT. Once this became an SMT, stops got put at break even above that. This is the trade here. We buy up to exactly what we want. I mishandled this position thinking we would go higher. We did end up going higher to my external draw over here, but I stopped the rest of my contracts out trailing. I just mishandled the position, but it's okay. So those are the two trades, and then I took a trade today that was really clean. So we've been at all-time highs. So I load up today, and we're at all-time highs. So I'm only curious and kind of seeing if I could trade a rebalance, right? I either want to see a rebalance trade or something, along those lines necessarily. So we go right here. We're at all-time highs, so I know we can always go lower. I see these stacked lows on top of each other right here. Let me zoom in and it'll look a lot better. So you have these stacked lows on top of each other right here, right? And what do we identify that in our setup? We identify that as the original consolidation, right, of our model. So you go onto the 1 minute and you can really see it very clearly. So at this point, I see the clear original consolidation with clear lows stacked on top of each other. I'm kind of just waiting for clear displacement to really determine that we are gonna go lower. So what do we get? We come up, we buy up at the same time. Now, hence that we are at all-time highs, so I want a change in the state of delivery in order for me to trust that we are going to go lower or break a structure, however you want to look at it. So this big displacement move comes at the exact time aligned with price, if you understand what I'm saying. Time first, then price. So you see we get a clear stop rate, change in the state of delivery on the 5 minute right there. My entry was on this imbalance right here, because in order to trust my model, I'm not going to want to see this 1 minute get ran and then we go there. As you see, I think we did tap the internal change in the state. What also made me super convicted is once we broke this low right here, when we break this inverse fair value gap that's holding us up, at the same time, I know we're just going to tap one of those two and then go lower to the draw. So then I enter like right here. My stop's right there, targeting the stacked lows right there for a nice 3 RR. Two very good trades. Three very good trades back-to-back days. That's how I'm profited $600 in the last 2 days. Had a bad day Monday where I lost like 400. So I'm still up on the week, but those are the trades of the week so far. Very good trades overall. I'm trying to get more content out for you guys. I feel bad I haven't been pumping out these videos, but if you enjoyed these videos, please like and subscribe. Join my Discord, link in the description. I appreciate all the support. Thank you so much.